Complete meal plan for marathon training. Train like a pro with our complete meal plan for marathon training. Packed with energy-boosting foods and recovery-enhancing recipes, this plan will help you fuel your long runs and recover faster. Stay on top of your game with meals that support your intense training schedule. A complete meal plan for marathon training provides the energy and nutrients needed for intense training. It includes complex carbs for sustained energy, lean proteins for muscle repair, and healthy fats for endurance. This plan emphasizes hydration and electrolyte balance with nutrient-rich foods. Additionally, it offers pre- and post-run meals designed to maximize performance and recovery. Focus on easily digestible carbs like white rice and bananas immediately after long runs to replenish glycogen stores.